everybody. This is ASMR, and today I am back with another color test / eye exam. And I know I just posted one recently, but I got my printer working today, so I decided to do a video with some professional or proper charts. And today's video is dedicated to circles. And circles are my favorite shape. So, I have this chart here, and it shows many different colors of circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pointing to each of these circles, and I want you to tell me which color I am pointing to, okay? And we're going to go in a nice little order, a little bit of rows, okay? So let's begin. I'm just going to point and you tell me what color, okay? Very good. Yes. Right. What's this one? This one. Yep. This one. Very good. This one. Excellent. Very, very good. This one. And what color is this? It's technically purple in real life, but on camera it does look kind of navy blue. So if you said navy blue, I will give you this. Very good. Okay, so you had no trouble with those. Not this one. Yep. And these colors, I mean, how would you describe this color? It's like a blush, yes. And how would you describe this color? Like a light or a dusty pink? Yeah, that's what I would do. And this one? Yeah, it's kind of a peachy, corally, salmon-y color. Can you see the difference between this color and this color? Which one is more pink? This one? Okay, and between this one and this one, which one is more orange? This one? Very good. What color is this? Lime green. This one. Excellent. This one. And this one. Very good. So you had no trouble with any of those. So now, take a look at the circles. I'm going to give you a few seconds. Can you count the circles for me, please? Just count them and let me know what you think is on the page. Just come up with a number and let me know. Okay, let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we have 39 circles in total on this paper. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pointing at some random circles, And I want you to tell me what color you think I am pointing to, okay? What is this color? Blue, very good. This one? It's green. This one? Yes, brown. This one? It's black. And indeed, it's so dark, it almost matches the tip of my pointer. Except my pointer is sparkly. This color? It's orange, excellent. This one? Yeah, this is either the purple or the navy blue. I'll accept either answer. This one? Lime green. This one? It's like a light blue or an aqua. I'll take both answers. This one? It's pink, yep. This one? Light pink. This one? It's gray, okay. But this one? Yellow. But this one? Red, okay. This one? Green, yep. This one? It's white, excellent. And this one? Yeah, it's like a it's like a light purple, or not really light purple, but more like a medium purple, like a lilac purple. Very good. So now the last thing I'm going to do with this chart is I am just going to start very randomly pointing to circles, but I'm going to be pointing at a very, very fast rate, okay? So I just want you to tell me very quickly each of the colors that I'm pointing to. So basically just say it as I point to them, and I'm going to be going quite quick, okay? So let's begin. Excellent. Keep telling me the colors. Oops. And this one. Very good. So you were excellent at that. You had no trouble with that at all. You should be very, very impressed with yourself. And now let's move on to another chart. So here's another chart, and as you can see, there's many circles on this of many different colors. And now what I'm going to ask you to do for this particular chart is I'm going to be pointing firstly to some of the circles, and I want you to tell me what colors I'm pointing to, okay? That's the first thing we're going to do. And then we're going to be comparing the size of some of these circles, okay? But the first thing is that just tell me what color I'm pointing to, all right? And let's begin. Orange, very good. This one. Blue, yes. This one. Purple. This one. Red. This one. Green, very good. Up here. It is gray, but I will accept the color lilac purple or light purple if you said that, because on camera it looks a bit purple. I don't know why. This one. Brown. This one. Black, yep. Now, what color is this? It's blue, okay? Can you see the difference between this blue and this blue? Which one is darker? This one? Excellent. What color is this? It's actually magenta pink, but if you said red, I will accept it, because again, on camera, it looks very red. I don't know why. And this one? It's light pink, yep. Can you see the difference between this color and this color? Which one is lighter? This one. Very good. Now what color is this? Light green or lime green, yep. And this one? Yellow. Very good. Can you see the difference between this green and this green? And which one is darker? This one? Very good. Okay, so you have no trouble with colors. We've established that. Now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be pointing to some of these circles, and I just want you to answer some questions about their size, okay? Very simple. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? bigger. Very good. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? Smaller. Excellent. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? It's smaller. Very good. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? Smaller. Very good. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? It's bigger. Very good. Is this circle bigger, smaller, or equal to the circle? They're about equal. Yes. Is this circle bigger, smaller, or equal to the circle? About equal again. Very good. Is this circle bigger, smaller, or equal to the circle? It's bigger. Yep. And is this circle bigger, smaller, or equal to the circle? It's bigger. Very good. And then is this circle bigger, smaller, or equal to this one? It's a little bit bigger. Yes. Okay, so you did very good with this. You had no trouble with this one either. I'm very impressed. So, now we are going to move on to something a little more unique. So, this is a color wheel, as you can see. And what I'm going to do first is I just want you, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to zoom in here. And I am going to be asking you some questions about the color on this wheel. Now, the first thing that we should do is just go around it. And check out all the colors. Just visually look at it. And look at all of these lovely, lovely colors. You know, can you count how many colors are on this page, on the sheet? Tell me the number. How many colors do you see? Okay, well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and if you count the white, we have 13 colors in total. If you don't count the white, we have 12 circles. So I am going to start pointing to some of these circles at random, and I just want you to tell me what color I am pointing to. You don't have to give the specific shade of the color. Just tell me what is the predominant color that you see, okay? Let's begin. This one? That's yellow. Very good. This one? Pink. This one? It's blue. Green. Red. This one? Purple. Very good. Now I want you to look very carefully at these three colors. 1, 2, 3. What is the predominant hue that you see on these colors? Green. Very good. Can you see a difference between this green and this green? Okay, which one is lighter? This one? Very good. Now, can you see the difference between this color and this color? What's the difference? Well, which one is lighter? This one? And what color is this? It's orange. Yep. And what color is this one? Red. Very good. Now, can you see the difference between this color and this color and this color? Which one is the lightest? And what color is this? It is pink, yes. Now focus on these two colors. Can you see the difference between them? And which one is a more traditional red? This one, yeah. And what other color do you see in this one? What would you say are the major differences between these two? This one does contain a little bit more pink. This is kind of a gradient from the pink to the darker pink, or kind of the magenta scarlet hue. into this very true red. So excellent. Now moving downwards, can you see what the predominant color, firstly, can you see what these colors, how are they similar? What is kind of the predominant hue that you see here? Blue, very good. However, look at this one. How is this one different from these? That's right, this one is purple. This is more of a purple than these three colors. And do you know how do you make purple? What do? You mix purple. Purple looks like the blues, right? So purple obviously is derived from blue. And what other color? Pink? Excellent. Okay, now let's focus on these three hues. One, two, three. Can you see which color? Okay, so let me just ask you. Is this shade darker, lighter, or equal to the shade? It's darker, very good. Is this shade darker, lighter, or equal to the shade? It's lighter, yes, excellent. Is this shade darker, lighter, or equal to the shade? It's lighter, yep. And is this shade darker, lighter, or equal to the shade? It's darker, yes, yes, yes. And how about this one? Is the shade darker, lighter, or equal to the shade? It's darker, yes. And is the shade darker, lighter, or equal to the shade? It's darker, yes. Excellent. So you had no problem with that color wheel. Now let's try you with one more. So this one, as you can see, is a little bit more complicated. So I just want you to go ahead and take a long look at it. And I want you to tell me how many circles you see on this. Okay? Don't worry about the specific colors right now. Just look at it and tell me how many circles you see. Just count them and tell me how many. How many do you think there are? Okay, well, let's find out if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what shape is this? It's a triangle, yes. It's a triangle made out of 6 circles. Then we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 circles. Okay, well, you did an excellent job with that. So now, I'm just going to point to some random colors, and I want you to tell me what colors they are. Okay. What color is this? Purple, yep. This color? The orange. This one? It is indeed yellow. This one? It's green, yep. This one? Yes, blue. Excellent. This one? Perfect. It's red. This one? Green, yep. This one? Yellow. This one? Purple again. Very good. Now this color here. What color is this? It's green. Do you know how you make green? What two colors do you mix together to make green? Blue and yellow. Excellent. And this color here. What is this color? It's orange. And what two colors do you mix together to make this orange? Red and yellow. Perfect. And up here, what color is this and this? They're purple, yeah? Do you see any difference between these two colors? No, they're the same. Very good. And what colors do you mix together to make purple? Blue, and Red, excellent. And to make a lighter purple, you can mix blue and pink. Now, discussing that, what color is this? It's more of a dark pink, yes. And what colors do you mix to make pink? Red and white. Very good. So you're excellent mixing your colors. And this color here, how would you describe the shade? It's green. Okay, what shade of green? Light green? And how do you make light green? Do you know? You make yellow and green. Very, very good. Or even white and green. Good point. So now, and that's kind of how you can lighten up any color. Mix it with yellow, or mix it with white. And you can darken any color by mixing it with black. Very interesting. But anyway, I am going to be pointing to some of these, and I just want you to tell me, be able to answer some questions about them, okay? So, between these two colors, how would you describe these colors? Their shades. They're mostly yellow, yep. And is this color darker or lighter than this color? It's darker, yes. And is this color darker or lighter than this color? Lighter, very good. Is this color darker or lighter than this color? It's lighter, very good. Is this color lighter or darker than this color? It's lighter, very good. Is this color lighter or darker than this color? It's lighter, yep. Is this color darker or lighter than this color? It's darker, very good. Is this color darker or lighter than this color? It's darker, yes. Excellent. Can you see the difference between this color and this color? Which one is darker? This one? Very good. Can you see the difference between this color and this color? No? Well, in real life, this one's actually a little lighter than this, but I might not be showing on camera. Can you tell the difference between this color and this color? Which one's darker? This one? Excellent. And how about this one and this one? Do you see any different? Is this color lighter, darker, or equal to this one? Equal to it? Yes, you're right, it is equal. So you had no trouble with that either. So now let's zoom back, and I'm going to give you one more color chart because you've done really, really well so far. So here we go. Now, this is definitely a little bit more of a involved chart than some of the others. So if you look at this closely, you'll see that there are two primary shades. Now I want you to look at this, and I want you to tell me, what are the two most prominent colors of circles that you see? You don't have to give me an exact shade, just tell me which two colors, broad colors do you see? Blue and green? You're right. So now, I'm just going to point to some of these really, really fast, and I want you to tell me what color you see, okay? And I want you to tell me the shade this time. Now, you don't have to be too specific. Just say, what is this color? How would you describe it? Light green, yep. This one? Dark green, yep. This one. It's like an aqua, yes. And what's this? It says blue, yep. So as you can see, what do you notice about all the blues? They're the same shade. Yes, there is one shade of blue in this chart. But look, we have two different shades of green. We have a light green and dark green. And then we have an aquamarine, which is kind of a marriage between blue and green. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'll be pointing at these, and you're going to tell me if the circle I'm pointing to is blue, light green, dark green, or aquamarine. Okay? And I'm going to be going really fast, so let's begin. Let me know. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, well, you're even getting the little ones right. Very good. And this one, what color is this? Aquamarine. This one, light green. This one, blue. This one, dark green. This one, blue. Blue again. Dark green, light green, light green, dark green, blue. This is aqua, aqua. This is one, aqua. Very good. So you have no problem at all with colors. There's absolutely nothing wrong with your eyes in that respect. So let's try some sizing again. I just want you to tell me, is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? It's bigger, yep. And is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? It's bigger, yep. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? Smaller, yes. Is this circle bigger or smaller than this circle? It's bigger, yep. Is this one bigger or smaller than this one? Bigger, Is this one smaller or bigger than this one? It's smaller, yep. Is this one smaller or bigger than this one? Smaller. Is this one bigger or smaller than this one? It's bigger. Is this one bigger or smaller than this one? That's a trick question. They're equals. Yep. And how about this one and this one? Which one's smaller? This one? Excellent. So you have no problem with your eyes. You did really, really well on this test. You guessed all the colors right. You were able to count all the circles correctly. And you were able to tell which ones were bigger and which ones were smaller. And you were able to identify the shades even when the colors were quite close and quite similar. So I hope that was relaxing. And I hope it helps you have a good night of sleep. And I will see you in